Hello guys, this is Rich. In this video we're gonna be making our own template in Ableton Live. So we need a template to save our time by putting in a template stuff we use all the time. So we don't have to repeat it infinite amount of times. So let's get into building it. First of all, I'm gonna add more MIDI channels. And on these MIDI channels, I'll add this rack. Actually, I don't know how to share it with you, but I'll share the whole template, which is going to be done in the end, so you can grab it from it. In this rack, we have a gain, low cut, high cut, a gate, also compressor. So it's like a little rack where we have lots of useful things. So we're going to have it on each channel. Also, we're gonna make this one is our drum channel, and here is gonna be kick. So I'm gonna remove frequencies here right away. So I'm gonna remove some of those frequencies on a kick. Then here I usually have snare, so I don't need this part on the snare. And also here is gonna be usually I have here hi-hat. It's gonna be like this, and here I have some perk, so it's gonna be our drum channel. And also I'll put a utility here to put another gain on top of it for more control. So hopefully I'm gonna be using this template because apparently it saves time. Also, I want to add my own return track, so I'll remove this, even though I'm gonna make the same for delay and reverb, but with different effects. So I'm gonna rename this one for reverb and delay. For reverb, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite RC20. I have a preset here actually. Let's make it a bit wider. Remove those frequencies. All right. This is going to be our reverb. And the delay, I hadn't picked a plugin for it yet, so we're going to try with the instrument. So let's check out the reverb. Cool. I like it. So for a delay plugin, Arturia has probably this one, delay tape, and we'll pick a preset. Let's turn it up. I like it. It's not bad. Just maybe more of wetness or less. I guess more because we can control it here. Yep, it's good for the delay. All right, so we have this set up, and now let's work on a master. So I always put here EQ, which remove these frequencies, about 35 on the low, and just a little bit on the high, about this amount, I guess. All right, and also we can put soft clipper, so you can do it by putting glue compressor and click soft clip here, or we can use a plugin. I have this one, classic clipper, and I'll set up for this minus 0.5 output, a little bit for the gain, and I think it's gonna be fine. Also, we can put one more of the EQ, or we can use the same one for further mastering, but for now I guess that's enough. We can also add the saturator because sometimes it's useful, and turn it off. Let's take a look. We have a master, our return tracks, couple of audio tracks, and MIDIs. So it's a pretty simple template I made, and hopefully you too. I'm just gonna remove this instrument because I'm gonna be using a lot of different instruments. Alright, now let's save it. Click on File, then Save Live Set as a template. And let's call it beat making. So we have this beat making template, and in this section of templates, we have it. Here you have our channels, but nothing inside. And yeah, now you have a template for beat making, and hopefully it will save time for you and for me. And as I said, I'll attach this file in the description for free, so you can download it and use it and grab this rack. I hope this video was useful for you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.